Hey everyone, it's Kevin, and I guess it's more public art time. I'm just walking past the Kobe Science Museum and I saw a little piece of work called Metal Bird. And I thought it was pretty cool looking. Let's check it out. So it's this absolutely crazy looking robotic bird thing, and in its mouth it has a angst-ridden metal fish. So metal bird. It's out of the Kobe Science Museum. Pretty cool. I don't know much about art, but I know what I like, and I like weird stuff, and this is weird and cool. There you go, a little more public art from Busan Kevin. Ooh.